This is a demo presentation of the Flex Finance app. Now, if you are a new user, the first thing you need to do is search for the app on the Google Play Store. So you have the Google Play Store, and then you search for Flex Finance. And then Flex Finance will be the top of all the other suggestions that the store would suggest for you. So you click on Flex Finance Budget Spend Track. Now, depending on your internet provider, this shouldn't take you up to a minute to download. So we already have this downloaded, so let's just open it. Flex, expense tracking for businesses. All right, so you click on Get Started, and then you enter your first and last name. Then you enter your email address. And then you enter your business name. Now, in choosing a password, you need at least one uppercase letter and one number, and every other letter or numbers as you decide. And then create account. So you see, as indicated here, must contain at least 8 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. So we're going to have to choose another password for this. Okay. All right. So to verify your account, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email address, the same email you provided on the screen before this. So we'll go over to our email box. Yes, there it is. Okay, so the code is 124033. Okay, so we'll just enter that here, 124033, and we'll verify account. It's just a matter of seconds, and our expense tracking and budget creation will be live. Okay, there we go. So you click on proceed, and then you add at least 3 budgets. So select the category. So let's select materials, and we put a budget of 50,000 naira. We select another category that has to do with bills for the electricity, and then we put a budget of 10,000 naira. And then we select another category, and we do that for salary, and we put that at 80,000 naira. Now we still have other budgets, so we click on add more, and we select another category for data, and we put that at 5,000 naira. We add another one, and that has to go for fuel, for petrol, and we put that at 10,000 naira. Okay, so we are set, and we'll click on proceed. All right, so our budgets have been added. You click on done. Now, a pilot screen pops up showing you how the different icons interact with you, and what it does and how it represents on the Flex Finance app. So you swipe to the left, and then you come to the end of it. All right, so let's add our first expense. Now, in adding expense, this is pretty easy. If you look at the top of the screen, you would see fuel, materials, data, bills, and salary. Now, these are the budget categories that I have selected, and as you have selected them, so they will be indicated for you at the top of your screen. So let's add an expense. So for materials, we've only spent 18,000 naira. and we got that from Rita. Okay, now that expense has been added. Now it's also the end of the month, so we have paid salary, and then salary goes in at 50,000 naira. Okay, and we submit that. We have another expense, and that's because the electricity bill came in and it was at 3,500 naira. We also got data for the phone, and that was at 3,000 naira. Okay, so at this point we have added an expense. Now we can view details of this from here. Now this is an overall, the overview of everything for the month of April. So if we click on home, we would see that the total April budget is at 155,000 naira. Total expenses is at 74,500 naira, and we have a balance of 80,500 naira. Now, here we are, all of our expenses for this month. Data, we have spent 3,000 naira, and we have a balance of 2,000 naira. For electricity bill, we have spent 3,500, and we have a balance of 6,500. For salary, we have spent 50,000 naira, and we have a balance of 30,000 naira. And the same for materials. We've spent 18,000 naira, and we have for 32,000 naira as our balance. Now, if we have to add another expense, so we have to add for data, and we got data again for 2,000 naira. Now let's view that. This is what I wanted you to see. Now our budget for the month of April was 5,000 naira, and now we have exhausted 5,000 naira budget, which is why we have the color on red. And you can see underneath it says you have used up 100% of your data budget for the month. Now with this, you can see if you are doing well or if you aren't doing well in terms of data management. So you might want to increase the budget for data for the next month, saying that 5,000 naira gets used up for the entire month, or you want to stay within budget by reducing how much you use it for the month. Now, in adding other budgets to your already created budget list, you click on the budget icon, scroll to the bottom, and add another budget. Now, this would be for food, and then we put that at 2,000 naira, and we are done. Now then we can add another one here, and we do that for marketing, and we add the amount at 10,000 naira, and we are done. So those budgets have been added, and we can come back home to see what the overview is like. So now we have a balance of 90,500 naira, and we have only spent 76,500 naira from our total budget of 167,000 naira for the month of April. So you see, using the Flex Finance app is pretty simple. Everything you have to do on paper, every receipt you have to chase, all of it is now found in one app. Now, if you click this more button on the bottom right of the screen, you would see request, and now pay bills and wallet. Now, these are features that are coming soon as we upgrade the app. Paying bills, you will be able to pay utility bills directly from here. You'll be able to pay your DSTV subscription directly from here. Now for wallet, you can fund your wallet as a user of the Flex app, fund your wallet, put a particular amount following the budget you have created, and then make expenses on the go from here. Now, if you need to update your profile, you just click on profile. You can add a picture here, edit the name, edit your email address, or even your business name. Now, this is just a simple overview of what the Flex Finance app looks like. It is simple and it is meant to make your business easy in managing your expenses, tracking your expenses as you use them, and then creating budgets in the simplest form for you. All right, so we will be signing out from here, and we look forward to implementing Flex for you and for your business.